Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your iPad Pro 11 2020, first we have to move for the App Store. And right now we have to click on the search and type here Opera. And right now we have to get this browser. Okay, right now we can open it. Click on the continue, and right now it's important to select the ad blocking with this marker in the right upper corner, and then we can just start browsing. So for example, we can enter the website BBC and click on the go. And right now, as you can see, we cannot find here any ads on this page. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.